Roses are red, violets are blue, grasses are green. Why? Do you have any clue? And the reason are plastids. Let's talk about plastids today. Hello students, welcome to Poonam's classroom. So, what are plastids? Plastids are double membrane organelle found in plant cells which are specialized to synthesize and store food. So, they are double membrane organelle. They are found in plants and they manufacture and store food. This is a typical plant cell. And can you see the spherical structure? These are nothing but the plastids. Before we look into the detailed structure of plastids, let's talk about types of plastids. Plastids are basically of two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chromo means color. That means chromoplast are colored plastids and this gives color to the flowers, fruits, leaves, etc. Carotenoid pigment are present in the chromoplast. One special type of chromoplast is chloroplast. Chloroplast gives green color to the plants. What makes this green color? Chloroplast contain chlorophyll, which gives green color to the plant leaves, shoots, unripe fruits. Chloroplasts help in the process of photosynthesis. So plastids are of two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chromoplast are colored plastids. A special type of chromoplast is chloroplast, which contains chlorophyll. The other type of plastid is leucoplast. Leuco means white. So you can understand that these plasmids do not contain any color pigments and that's why they are white. Leucoplast basically help in the storage of food materials. They can store food materials like starch, proteins, even oils. When leucoplast stores starch, then it is called amyloplast. When it stores protein, then it is called alluroplast or proteinoplast. And when it stores oil, then it is called elaioplast. So, leucoplasts are of three types depending upon what they store. Leucoplasts are present in storage cells and roots and underground stems. Let's now see the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is the most important plastid. Here I have shown you the diagram of a chloroplast. There are a lot of markings, but we are not going to study all of them. Whichever is required in this standard, I will mark them in red. So follow with me. As we saw in the definition, it is a double membrane organelle. So there is an outer membrane or external membrane and an inner membrane or internal membrane. The matrix inside the chloroplast is called stroma. Can you see the stack-like structures? These are called grana. Grana is plural. Each stack is known as granum. If you look carefully, you can see that the granum are made up of disc-like structures which are present on top of one another, as if coins are placed on top of one another. Each of these discs are called thylakoid. So, many discs, that is many thylakoids, form a stack that is called granum. Many granum together form grana and these granum are connected with each other by lamella. Plastids also contain their own DNA and ribosomes. So, they are called semi-autonomous organelle. Do you remember the other semi-autonomous organelle? Let me know in the comment. Now, what is semi-autonomous organelle? Semi means partially and autonomous means independent. So, they are partially independent organelle because they can make their own protein with the help of ribosome and they can replicate by themselves with the help of their DNA. Is it clear now, students? If you have any questions, of course, write me in the comment. Now, you will ask me, ma'am, you told that chloroplast contain green pigment chlorophyll, but you didn't say anything about it till now. Yes, you are correct. Let's talk about chlorophyll. The thylakoids have membrane and on the surface of this membrane are the green pigment chlorophyll. Here is the simplified diagram of the chloroplast. Now, as I have told you, chlorophyll is present in the thylakoid membrane. So, this chlorophyll help in the process of photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food with the help of solar energy, that is with the help of sunlight. So here you can see a plant. On the top, sun is there. Now the plant takes carbon dioxide and water from the environment and makes food inside it and oxygen. This oxygen is a byproduct and it is given out to the environment. This process of making food with the help of sunlight by plants is known as photosynthesis. I am not going into the detailed process of photosynthesis here. You will learn about it in details in the higher classes. Because food is made within the chloroplast, that's the reason it is called kitchen of the cell. Do you have any questions? Write me in the comment. I will answer. Now let's see the functions of plastid. Chloroplast trap solar energy to manufacture food through photosynthesis. Chromoplast provide color to the fruits and flowers. Thus they attract animals to help in pollination and food dispersal. Leucoplast take part in storage of food like starch, protein, oils. Chloroplast maintain the balance of two gases by releasing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. Okay, now you know everything about plastids. So can you tell me the difference between leucoplast and chromoplast? Leucoplasts are colorless. Chromoplasts are colored plastids. Leucoplasts are cylindrical to round shaped. Chromoplasts are irregular shaped. Leucoplasts are found in unexposed cells. Chromoplasts are found in exposed and unexposed cells. Leucoplasts store food. Chromoplasts do not store food. Leucoplasts can change to other type of plastids. Chromoplasts do not change into other type of plastids. Leucoplasts do not provide color to the organs. Chromoplasts provide color to the organs and thus attract pollinators and disseminators. Now we will see the difference between chloroplast, which is the green plastid, and the chromoplast, which is the non-green colored plastid. Chloroplasts are green plastids. Chromoplasts are non-green colored plastids. Chloroplasts have chlorophyll and carotenoids. Chromoplasts have carotenoids but do not have chlorophyll. Lamella is present in chloroplast. Lamella is absent in chromoplast. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. Photosynthesis do not take place. Rather, chromoplast attracts animals to perform pollination and food dispersal. Now you know two organelles which are semi-autonomous because they have DNA and ribosome of their own. Can you tell me the name of these two organelles? Write me in the comment. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you.